Welcome to the ultimate masterclass on AI and synthetic biology. Whether you're a student, researcher, or aspiring entrepreneur, this guide is your gateway to the future of biodesign. We'll start from the very basics and take you all the way to launching your own biotech venture. Get ready to explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we design genes, engineer proteins, and build new biological systems. By the end, you'll have the knowledge, tools, and confidence to create, innovate, and even earn from your skills in this exciting field. Synthetic biology is all about treating DNA like programmable code. Imagine being able to design and build entirely new biological systems, organisms, or functions that don't exist in nature. Traditional biology helps us understand what exists, but synthetic biology lets us create what should exist. Using engineering principles and computational tools, we can now write DNA, not just read it. This shift is opening up endless possibilities, from new medicines to sustainable materials, and it's all within your reach. Synthetic biology revolution has accelerated rapidly in the past 2 decades. In 2003, the Human Genome Project allowed us to read all human DNA. By 2012, CRISPR-Cas9 made precise gene editing possible, changing the game overnight. Fast forward to 2020, and AI like AlphaFold began predicting protein structures, solving problems that stumped scientists for 50 years. Today, the convergence of AI and synthetic biology means we can design genes, engineer proteins, and build new organisms faster and more accurately than ever before. Synthetic biology is already transforming industries and lives. For example, bacteria engineered to produce insulin now supply 60% of the world's insulin, making it more affordable and accessible. Lab-grown meat is reducing the environmental impact of food production, while engineered immune cells are fighting cancer with unprecedented success. Modified algae are producing biofuels, and CRISPR gene therapy is curing genetic diseases. These breakthroughs are just the beginning, and you can be part of the next wave. Think of DNA as a biological programming language. Just like in computer science, where you write code to instruct a computer, in synthetic biology you write DNA sequences to instruct cells. By modifying DNA, we can give organisms new abilities, from producing medicines to cleaning up pollution. This analogy makes synthetic biology accessible to anyone familiar with coding, and it highlights the power of combining biology with computational thinking. CRISPR technology has made gene editing faster, cheaper, and more accurate than ever before. Traditional methods were slow, expensive, and often inaccurate. With CRISPR, we use programmable molecular scissors to cut and edit DNA with over 99% accuracy. What used to take years and cost millions can now be done in weeks for a fraction of the price. This leap in efficiency is driving the rapid growth of synthetic biology and making advanced genetic engineering accessible to more people. Ready to get hands-on? Your first synthetic biology project can be as simple as designing a gene using free online tools. For example, with Code on Code, you can input a protein sequence, optimize it for bacterial expression, and download your own DNA design in just 30 minutes. This practical experience demystifies the process and shows that anyone can start creating with the right resources. It's the perfect way to begin your journey as a biodesigner. Succeed in synthetic biology, you'll need access to key databases and tools. Resources like NCBI for gene sequences, UniProt for protein designs, AdGene for plasmids, IgM for biobrick parts, and CRISPR-MIT for CRISPR design are essential bookmarks. These platforms provide the building blocks for your projects, offering everything from raw data to ready-to-use genetic components. Mastering these resources will set you apart as a capable and resourceful biodesigner. AI is supercharging biodesign with a suite of powerful free tools. From DNA design and optimization with Genius Prime and Code on Code, to CRISPR analysis with CRISPR and CHOP, to protein engineering with AlphaFold and Rose TTA-Fold, these platforms make advanced bioengineering accessible. Whether you're optimizing genes, predicting protein structures, or designing metabolic pathways, AI tools streamline the process and boost your productivity. Nothing beats learning by doing. This guide walks you through 5 real-world biodesign projects, from designing a novel gene to engineering a metabolic pathway. Each project uses professional-grade tools and results in tangible outputs, like optimized DNA sequences or 3D protein models. These projects not only build your skills but also create a portfolio you can show to employers, clients, or investors. Plus, each project has real earning potential, making your learning both practical and profitable. AI is transforming every step of synthetic biology. Machine learning models can predict which gene sequences will work best, while tools like AlphaFold solve protein structures in days instead of years. Predictive models help optimize gene expression, and neural networks rank thousands of designs for the best results. Even if you don't code, no-code AI platforms like Google Teachable Machine and AlphaFold let you harness AI's power for your project. This integration is making biodesign smarter, faster, and more accessible. Synthetic biology isn't just for big companies. DIY labs and biohacking are opening new income streams for individuals. You can offer CRISPR kits, create open-source tools, run community workshops, or consult on biodesign projects. With the right skills, it's possible to earn from $3K to $25K or more per month, scaling up as you build your reputation. Whether you prefer hands-on lab work or online education, there's a path for you to turn your passion into profit. Dreaming of launching your own biotech company? The opportunities are vast. You could start a gene synthesis company, build an AI-powered protein design SaaS, offer consulting, create an education platform, provide metabolic engineering services, or open a biofabrication lab. Each model has its own investment, revenue potential, and scaling path. The easiest to start are consulting and education, while gene synthesis and biofabrication labs offer high returns for those ready to invest more. Success in synthetic biology depends on staying connected and using the right resources. This guide provides templates for gene design, CRISPR projects, protein engineering, and more. You'll also find links to free AI platforms, affordable lab equipment suppliers, and funding opportunities. Join online communities and local biolabs to network, share ideas, and collaborate. With these resources, you'll always have support as you grow your skills and career. We're now equipped with the fundamentals, tools, and inspiration to start your journey in AI-powered synthetic biology. Whether you want to freelance, consult, teach, or launch a startup, the path is clear. Take action, keep learning, and strive for excellence. The future of biology is being designed by innovators like you. Start today and become a leader in the next generation of biotechnology.